जब मैं इनसे मिला तो मैंने रियलाइज़ किया तो जेम्स बॉन्ड भी कुछ नहीं है, वो तो इनके सामने बच्चा है.
No fasting, no surgery, no medicine.
Hey guys, watch me with Ahmed Rayani on his particular show, which is extraordinarily funny.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, brother. And then it took me 1.5 years to get back my teeth. And all of you are looking at my teeth right now, but it's
Because of your teeth, you're looking much older than you should, or you can look much younger in than your age if you maintain the teeth correctly. Most people have all theories, but we have a series called Secrets of Rocketry. Individual will tell you how you can actually safeguard your hair, how putting weight and losing weight can be done easily. I'm going to show you. Yeah, so that's me. Don't lose respect for me, but that's me. The stomach you see is absolutely real. So that was a real stomach. Now come back to the red shirt, please. And I want to show you the next picture, which is after 14 days.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Now I think I'm done with the videos. It's boring. Not a good idea.
I have a question. Yeah, my name is Ahmed Rayani. I'm film critic and director from Abu Dhabi, UAE. First of all, congratulations for your son Vedant, who represents India in swimming pool. So it's something to be proud of it, of course. Actually, people they are amazed because you changed your figure in this movie. But I'm not that much amazed because I know Mahdi, he did hard work in Salah Cruz, which was released in 2016, and before that, Tanwez Manu, when he was fat, in Salah Cruz he made muscles of Arnold Schwarzenegger. So it's an inspiration for all of us, of course.
Thank you.
My question regarding rocketry. You made so many languages in this movie, and I believe as a director, when you make a movie with 2 languages, it is a big schedule for a director. He made a schedule for 1 or 4 hours in one day for shooting, but I think you double that schedule. I just want to know how you did that and how many languages were represented when you are shooting the movie.
Each shot was done in 3 languages. We were able to manage it because my artists were extraordinarily committed. So before the shooting, we all had extensive rehearsals of every scene. So the easiest way to achieve this was there was nothing creative involved in the execution of this movie on the day of the shoot. The reason I'm saying is every artist only had to know the character he was playing, and these characters are already there. I knew what Nabi Narayan sir did and believed and said. Simran knew how the wife behaved. So everybody had their, the prototype set ready. We were not improvising on the set. We just wanted to make sure we came across as genuinely as possible.
هلا غلا، معكم محمد سيف الريامي. طبعا أنا اليوم متواجد مع فنان رائع جدا، فنان صار له 20 سنة في السينما الهندية، ونعتبره واحد من الفنانين البروفيشنال. يقولوا عليه مادهفن، بس نحن نقول عليه مادي. So I introduce you in Arabic that you are one of the professional actors, not in Bollywood, in Indian cinema, which we saw you from 2001, and I believe you are from 96 working.
Yeah.
So how is everything with you, and how is being in Dubai, your experience?
Well, I've been a resident of Dubai for the past 2 years, and I live in this building, if you believe it or not.
Oh.
And I have the best time. I think I'm in love with Dubai. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Having said that, it's been a great journey, from 2000 to 2022 as an actor and now a director for a film. And I'm very grateful to God for putting me here.
Wow. Sir, actually I saw your trailer in 2020, and this teaser was born before a long time ago. My question about rocketry: when exactly this idea came in your mind?
Actually, I got introduced to the subject by a director who said there is a rocket scientist from Trivandrum who was accused of having an affair with a Maldivian woman and selling the secrets of rocketry to Pakistan. He was arrested, put in jail, tortured, and almost killed before he came out with the help of CBI and proved that he was innocent and this was a false case. But this false case put the India's rocket program behind by 20 years. So I thought I'll go meet him. It's a story like a James Bond story, you know, a young, handsome space scientist, a beautiful Maldivian woman. And, you know, I thought I'll finish a quick film. But when I went and met him, I was completely stunned. It was like I was hit by a sledgehammer. And I realized that his story was far, far more exciting and more important and more touching than what anybody in the world knew. And the sad part is nobody knew about his achievements and contributions to India. And that's why I made the film.
Okay. So you feel that आपको ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसमें एक फिल्मी जिसके हम फिल्मी मसाला जिसे बोलते हैं कुछ हिंदी फिल्म में, आपको ऐसा लगा था पहले से?
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे तो लगा था कि मैंने एक हल्का गरीब आदमी का जेम्स बॉन्ड के बारे में फ़िल्म बनाऊंगा. जब मैं इनसे मिला तो मैंने रियलाइज़ किया तो जेम्स बॉन्ड भी कुछ नहीं है, वो तो इनके सामने बच्चा है. इन्होंने जो किया है फ्रांस में, रशिया में, प्रिंसटन में, स्कॉटलैंड में, यूएसएसआर में जब वो टूट रहा था वहाँ से रशिया से इंजन कैसे चुरा के लेके आए. इन्होंने एक ऐसा इंजन बनाया जो आज तक फेल नहीं हुआ, और नेगोशिएशंस हो, डराना हो, मतलब इन्होंने ऐसा सब कुछ किया है जो हमको देखकर यकीन करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा कि ये एक इंडियन साइंटिस्ट है और ये सब मुमकिन है.
Wow, what the story. Actually, there is a question, maybe I heard somebody about Shah Rukh Khan working with you. I believe that Shah Rukh Khan was asking you to work with him in My Name is Khan, and then you work with him as a friendly guest appearance in Zero. क्या वो ज़ीरो के टाइम में आपने उनको कहा था कि ये फिल्म बन रही है? तो
हाँ, ज़ीरो के टाइम पे हमारे जिक्र की थी कि वो हमेशा कह रहे थे कि तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ अलग करते रहता है. वो भी साला खड़ूस देखा था मैंने, अभी क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने कहा सर मैं रॉकेटरी नामक एक फ़िल्म कर रहा हूँ. तो उन्होंने कहा बहुत अच्छा, और उनको मैंने थोड़ी बहुत कहानियाँ सुनाई थी. तो उनके बर्थडे के दिन उन्होंने कहा मजाकी तौर पर, मुझे लगा कि यार मैडी तुम्हारी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे उसमें कोई ना कोई एक रोल चाहिए, बैकग्राउंड में पासिंग करा देना. मैंने कहा था हाँ, मैंने ये कहा क्या बात है सर, थैंक यू. मैं उनसे गले मिला, कहता नहीं मैं सीरियस हूँ, मैं तुम्हारा फिल्म का हिस्सा बनना चाहता हूँ. मैंने कहा थैंक यू सर. मुझे अभी भी लगा कि वो मजाक कर रहे हैं. जब 2 दिन बाद मैंने उनके मैनेजर को थैंक यू करने के लिए फ़ोन किया, वो बोली कि नहीं खान साहब बिल्कुल सीरियस हैं, आपके फिल्म में रोल करना चाहते हैं, तो बताइए कि डेट्स कब चाहिए. मैंने कहा देखो ऐसे उम्मीदें मत दो यार, मैं यकीन करने लगूँगा कि ये मुमकिन है. तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं सीरियसली है यार, अब तुम बताओ वरना वो पूछ रहे कि डेट कब चाहिए. और ऐसे ही ना बगैर पैसे लिया, ना उन्होंने मेरे से कैरावैन का या कॉस्ट्यूम का पैसे लिया, कुछ नहीं. वो आए और बड़े प्यार से जो मुझे ज़रूरत थी वो करके गए. और मुझे लगता है वो मेरे पर थोड़ा सा प्यार, पर नंबी नारायण के ऊपर ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट था उनको, इसीलिए उन्होंने किया. सेम थिंग मेरे दोस्त सूर्या ने भी किया.
Wow. One of the famous actor also. Two brilliant actor with Madhavan, and Madhavan you are also brilliant actor also. I will ask you how many days it take to shoot this movie, and how many days shoot after production? How many days you take after production? After finishing the shooting.
पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन इस फिल्म का काफ़ी टाइम लगा, क्योंकि हम 3 लैंग्वेज में कर रहे हैं. एंड वी वर डूइंग VFX and CGI and getting the engine right and everything, so it took us about a year. But the film was ready by early 2020. We were supposed to release it when the COVID happened, and COVID की वजह से we got stuck for 2 years. So 2 years we kept tweaking the film, tweaking the edit. It was nice, but we never wanted to release it only on OTT. We want to release it in theaters because it's that sort of a film. And now we're very nervous. 1st of July, you'll see.
You should see it in IMAX cinema, in big theater.
Yeah.
My question: how many days you take for shooting this movie? कितने दिन लगे आपको?
Actually, that is a trade secret which I want to talk about after the release of the film.
Yeah, of course. My question is also. I saw you promoting Vikram Vedha remake when the picture of Hrithik Roshan was appear. क्या आप remake पे ज़्यादा ध्यान या भरोसा करते हैं कि अपनी जितनी तमिल फिल्म्स है उसको रीमेक करना चाहिए? क्योंकि आजकल आप you see that these movies when they do remake like KGF, nobody will make it. Bahubali, nobody can make it. Even Charlie 777, nobody can make the remake because this movie all people watching now. So still you promote the remake, or what you think?
Well, promoting it because my friends are directing it, and I believe that the directors are very good. Hrithik and Saif are extraordinary actors, so I'm very keen to see what version of Vikram Vedha they do. And who's to say that, sometimes you have a better remake than the original. And I've seen that happen also sometimes. But I just want to say that it's a fantastic story, and the Hindi audience should see it in their language.
I saw that in the movie in the Tamil.
Yeah.
And nobody can remake it, in my opinion. That's my
Thank you. You're very kind.
Also, I will ask you about Tanwet Manu. Do you feel that they will make third part?
No, I don't. I think we've done enough of it. Both of us have moved on in terms of what we want to do in our lives. And if you make a third part, unless you do it for the love of the script, it only becomes a monetary endeavor, which I'm not very excited about.
Okay. Quick questions for you, Madhavan sir. What's the main turning point in your filmy career, life?
Brother, I'm not saying it because it's this film, but my main turning point in my career happened the day I met Dr. Nambi Narayanan. Not just as an actor, but as a person, as an individual. I think I'm changed permanently because of that moment.
Wow. Sir, also, how you balanced between two cinema, Tamil, South and Bollywood?
It's not very difficult. I do one film in 2 years, and I do only one film at a time. So be it film or a web series called Decoupled or Breathe or whatever it is, it's just one at a time. So there is no balancing required. It's just, you have to love the script and believe that it's going to work, and you have to enjoy the time spent with the cast and the crew. That is my only criteria.
Because why I'm asking you, because आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है और उर्दू भी मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही अच्छी है आपकी.
बहुत शुक्रिया. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अब ये ऐसी चीज़ें मैं अभी दुबई में बनाऊँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि दुबई में ऐसे कहानियाँ बन सकती हैं जो पूरे दुनिया को प्रेरित कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि जिस प्यार और सहानुभूति के साथ यहाँ पे रहते हैं लोग, वो मुझे लगता है कि वाकई में एक एग्जाम्पल है पूरे दुनिया के लिए.
क्या बात है.
सच बोलूं तो ये एक बीमारी है जिन्हें जेल में डालकर चाबी को फेंक देनी चाहिए.
There is a question for you in Arabic. कुछ आपके ऐसे फिल्म्स हैं, मैंने उसको अरबिक में सबटाइटल दिया है और आपको वो बूझना है.
जी बिल्कुल.
Yeah. So first movie in Arabic called ثلاثة بلها.
3 Idiots.
3 Idiots. Yes, 3 Idiots. ثلاث بلها. It's 3 Idiots. ما شاء الله. Second one. أريد أن أعيش في قلبك. أريد أن أعيش في قلبك.
दिल विल प्यार व्यार. Then
The best songs ever happen in
रहना है तेरे दिल में.
Yes, रहना है तेरे दिल में. रहना है तेरे दिल में. أعيش means रहना है and दिल قلب. Okay.
मैं तो डर गया यार. पता है वैसे तो मैं बड़ा सीधा साधा और नेक इंसान हूँ.
Third one. اصبغ اللون الزعفراني. اصبغ اللون الزعفراني. زعفران.
रामजी लंदन वाले. No.
रामजी लंदन वाले वो अलग बात है. मैं रामजी बोलता था.
अच्छा हाँ correct.
زعفران.
What does saffron mean? हाँ? रंग दे. Oh, sorry. यार this is not fair. मैं आपको बोलता हूँ तमिल की फिल्म बताओ. मैं उसका मतलब.
Yeah, but I said saffron because it's colored saffron color.
Okay. रंग दे बसंती. Okay, got it. हाँ.
Okay, last two. قليل الأدب. قليل الأدب.
साला खड़ूस.
Yes, साला खड़ूस. वाह क्या बात है.
गली के कुत्ते को जितना भी नहला धुलाकर बीच महल में रखो, उसका दिमाग तब भी टट्टी खाने को निकलता है.
And last movie, الصاروخ.
Rocketry.
Yes, rocketry.
Okay, thank you.
صاروخ in Arabic.
अगर आपको लग रहा है ये सब फजूल है तो फिर आप यहाँ पर आए क्यों?
मैं यहाँ इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो हुआ वो स्टेज में किसी और के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए.
वाह.
सर दुनिया भर में लोग ना 60-70 टन की इंजन
That's kind of you, sir, to be in my life, and I hope that your movie be not successful blockbuster because you have आपकी जितनी भी मेहनत है वो जरूर रंग लाएंगी.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया भाई साहब. थैंक यू. वेरी स्वीट टू मी. थैंक यू. अप्रिशिएट दैट.